Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, English Grade 5, Quarter 4, Lesson 1. Our topic for today is about using story grammar to illustrate the internal structure and coherence of a story. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies and objectives. Use story grammar to illustrate the internal structure and coherence of a story. 1. Illustrate the internal structure of a story using story grammar. 2. Formulate inferences and logical conclusions based on details and events in the plot. 3. Evaluate the possibility of an event happening in real life. 4. Relate the story to one's personal experiences. Day 1. Recall story elements which were covered in several lessons in English 4. Talk about an episode in your favorite cartoon, TV series, or movie by answering the following. Plot. The sequence of events that takes place in a story. Setting. The place or where and time or when the story happens. Theme. The main idea or lesson learned from the story. Conflict. The problem or difficulty the characters face. Characters. The people or animals or even things who come to life in a story. Share. It's either you talk or write what you know about festivals in the Philippines. You can do the sharing with a partner or with the whole class. Answer the following questions. A. Are you familiar with different festivals in the Philippines? What festivals do you know? Have you been to one of these festivals? Can you share your experience? Example answer. Yes, I am familiar with some festivals like Sinulog, Ati-Atihan, and Pahiyas. I have been to a town fiesta before, and it was fun because of the food, music, and dances. B. Why do you think we celebrate a lot of festivals in the Philippines? Why do you think festivals are important for Filipinos? Answer. We celebrate many festivals to thank God and honor our culture. Festivals are important because they make Filipinos happy and united. C. Are you familiar with Panagbanga Festival in Baguio City? Would you like to join Panagbanga in the future? Why? Answer. Yes, I am familiar with the Panagbanga Festival. I would like to join it in the future because I want to see the beautiful flowers and enjoy the parade. The story you about to read for this lesson is a tale about Panagbanga, and you will use a story grammar to note the important details and lessons in the story. Unlocking content vocabulary. Instructions. You will do a dictionary search where you will bring your dictionary and find meaning to the words. From the words, write your sample sentences. First, culture. The language, customs, ideas, and art of a particular group of people. Sentence. Respect for elders is an important part of Filipino culture. Second, tradition. the handing down of a culture's beliefs and customs from parents to children over many years. Sentence: the way we celebrate this holiday is the result of centuries of Spanish tradition. Third, unity. The condition of being united or of acting as one. Sentence: the unity of the team is what won the game. Fourth, diversity. The state or condition of being diverse. Sentence: because of the school values diversity, it wants students of all races to apply. Fifth, resilience. The capacity to withstand and recover quickly from difficulty, sickness, or the like. Sentence: her resilience is admirable. Few people could bounce back so quickly after such a tragedy. Patriotism is the last. Love for and loyalty to one's country. Sentence: both fighting in a war and protesting against a war can be acts as patriotism. Day 2 to 3. Panagbanga Festival. Tales and Culture. Baguio City is famous as the Philippine summer capital. It has cool weather, Burnham Park, and the lively Panagbanga Festival every February. This month-long event brings in lots of visitors for parades, competitions, food, music, and colorful costumes. The Panagbanga Festival began in 1990 in Baguio City to celebrate its blooming flowers. Its name comes from the Cancanay phrase Panag-apog, which means blooming season. The festival mixes art, music, dance, and food, attracting tourists and locals alike. Here are some facts about Panagbanga Festival. 1. It's pronounced Panagbanga, not Panagbenga. 2. Panagbanga means season of blooming. 3. The festival's official song is Tribute to the Cordillerans. 4. It uses tons of flowers in parades and competitions. 5. The festival lasts a whole month, ending with a big parade and street dance. Now, let us talk about what is story grammar. Story grammar refers to the structure of a narrative, including its components like characters, setting, plot, conflict, and resolution. It helps readers and listeners understand how a story is organized and how its elements contribute to its coherence. It is best used as a graphic organizer with different formats. Components of story grammar. Characters. Who are the main characters? What are the traits and motivations? Setting. Where and when does the story take place? How does the setting influence the events? Plot. What are the main events in the story? How are they connected? Conflict. What is the central problem or challenge faced by the characters? Resolution. How is the conflict resolved? What is the outcome of the story? Reading activity. Before reading questions. Based on the title, Blossoms in Unity, A Panagbanga Tale, what do you think will the story be about? Answer: it is about the Panagbanga Festival and people being united. Have you ever participated in a community event that made you feel proud or united? Can you share your experience? Answer: yes, I joined a fiesta and felt happy and proud. What role do flowers and nature play in your community? Answer: they make the place beautiful and fresh. Blossoms in Unity, a Panagbanga Tale by Rocky James G. Sarasua. It was that magical and blossoming time of the year again, where the city burst into kaleidoscope, and the people from many parts of the world come to witness the spectacular parade of colors, blossoms, culture, and unity, the start of the Panagbanga Festival. Panagbanga means a season of blossoming, a time for flowering, explained Ethan with a grin as they walked towards Session Road. It's a special time for our city. The streets were alive, buzzing with color and music as the locals and foreigners joined the parade of elementary school kids wearing floral sweatshirts in a cold as ice weather, sometimes drizzling, sometimes not. The fresh blooms from the gardens of Baguio City mingles with the crisp February air. Children from all over the region rode in an old colorful jeepneys ornamented with flowers and other symbols of the place, their faces painted with excitement. Katya and Ethan cheered as they watched the vibrant floats made of different flowers and festival dancers pass by. Pengi ako sa platito. As the parade reached the Panagbanga Park Harrison Road Baguio Athletic Bowl Session Road, the excitement grew. The dancers showcased their talents in a street dancing competition, moving to the rhythm of traditional music combined with street dance music that is inspired by the Bendian, an Ibaloy dance of celebration that came from the Cordilleras. Dancers clad in flower-inspired costumes, and Katya couldn't help but dance along, feeling the energy and unity of the festival. The costumes are amazing. The colors and flowers are feast in my eyes, Katya shared excitingly. Ethan couldn't resist the rhythm of the street dance and soon found himself moving in time with the beat, his feet tapping and body swaying to the lively music. After the parade, Katya and Ethan decided to explore Burnham Park, where more festivities awaited. They marveled at the flower arrangements and took part in art workshops, learning about the importance of nature and creativity. Activities celebrated throughout the month include a landscape competition and cultural shows, and more food trips. My mama always finds the best deals at the night market, Katya said with a nostalgic smile. We have a knack for ukay-ukay. Ethan laughed, handing her a bouquet of colorful blooms. We really are lucky to be part of Panagbanga. It's more than just a flower festival. It's a celebration of our community spirit. Katya nodded, her heart filled with pride for their city. and gratitude for Ethan. Panagbanga reminds us our resilience and strength, rising up from challenges like the earthquake. It's a time for unity and national pride. As the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the park, Katya and Ethan sat by the lake reflecting on their day of adventure and camaraderie. They knew that Panagbanga had taught them valuable lessons about industry, patriotism, and the beauty of diversity. With smiles on their faces, they whispered a promise to each other. Until next Panagbanga, let's keep our hearts blooming with love and unity. After reading questions, describe the setting. Baguio City during Panagbanga Festival. Who are the main characters? What are their reactions to the festival? Answer: Katya and Ethan. They are excited and happy. What are the main events in the story? Answer: parade, street dancing, and park activities. How did Katya and Ethan participate in the festival? What were their favorite parts? Answer: they watched, danced, and explored. They liked the parade and dancing. How do Katya and Ethan feel at the end of the story and why? Answer: they felt proud and joyful. Why is the Panagbanga Festival important to the community? Answer: it shows unity and love for the community. What do the flowers and decorations in the festival symbolize? Answer: beauty, unity, and diversity. What does the word Panagbanga mean? How is it significant to the story? Answer: it means season of blossoming. What lessons do Katya and Ethan learn from participating in the Panagbanga Festival? Answer: unity, pride, and love for culture. Do you think the events of the story could happen in real life? Why or why not? Answer: yes, because festivals really happen. How does this story remind you of your own experiences with festivals or community events? Answer: it reminds me of fiestas with family. What part of the story did you like? Why? Answer: the parade, because it is colorful. If you could attend the Panagbanga Festival, what would you look forward to the most? Answer: seeing the flowers and the dances. Day 4. My own story grammar. Create your own story grammar for the story read. Creating the story grammar. Title: Blossoms in Unity, a Panagbanga Tale. Setting: Baguio City during the Panagbanga Festival. Characters: Katya and Ethan. Beginning: the Panagbanga Festival starts and the city is full of flowers and people. Middle: Katya and Ethan watch the parade, dance, and join activities in the park. Ending: They feel proud and happy about their city and the festival. Theme or lesson: unity, love for culture, and appreciation of nature. Learners' takeaways. Class sketch note. Draw on the chalkboard about a part of the lesson you remembered. Reflection on learning. A. What did I do well in this week's lesson? Answer: I listened well, joined the activities, and answered the questions. B. What can I do better in the next lesson? Answer: I can study more and participate more in class. Formative assessment. Choose the correct answer for each question. 1. What does the word panagbanga mean? Answer: A. A season of blossom. 2. Which festival is celebrated in the story? Answer: A. Panagbanga Festival. 3. What do the blossoms symbolize in the story? Answer: B. Beauty and renewal. 4. What activity showcases the community's unity during the festival parade? Answer: A. Street dancing competition. 5. Which flower is mentioned as Baguio City's original flower in the story? Answer: D. Everlasting. 6. How do Katya and Ethan participate in the festival? Answer: by exploring Burnham Park. 7. What lesson do Katya and Ethan learn from the festival? Answer: A. The importance of community spirit. 8. What is the significance of unity in the story? Answer: B. It fosters resilience and strength. 9. Which term refers to mutual trust, friendship, and a sense of belonging among people sharing common experiences? Answer: A. Camaraderie. 10. How does the story emphasize cultural heritage? Answer: B. Through floral decorations and traditional music. Maraming salamat sa panonood! Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!